Hey, if you want to remove bloatware from your Redmi Pad 2, you can simply go into the settings like so and go into the apps screen over here. Now, simply go for any application that you are not using and select application and then select uninstall. And do this one by one. So in my case, I will get rid of booking.com, the booking affiliate program, and also I will recommend you to remove applications like the Google TV if you are not really using it, LinkedIn, the Mi browser, Mi Coin, Mi Home, Mi Mover, applications like Netflix. What we have here also, the Spotify if you are using like YouTube Music, but if you are using YouTube Music you can just get rid of the Spotify. Definitely Temu, TikTok, WPS Office, and yeah, and that's for me everything that I will remove from this device. So just go for the application and click uninstall and simply get rid of it.